Hey, what's up you guys? It's Paolo. Welcome to Fast Prog. Today, we're going to walk through programming the top 42 FGN transmitters on your ZA3P control board. But there's a heads up. The new fixed code technology in these transmitters might not work right away with some older control boards. In that case, you'll need to clone the fixed code from an older transmitter to the top 42 FGN to ensure it's compatible with the ZA3P. I'm actually working on a playlist all about cloning between remotes, so be sure to subscribe to take advantage of that when it's ready. If you're currently setting up your automation system, I recommend checking out the clickable videos linked at the end of this one. First, make sure your transmitter is working properly by pressing a button and checking if the LED flashes. If it doesn't, check that the battery is in place and in good condition. Next, check that the reference number on your AF radio board is AF43S to ensure it's compatible with your transmitter, which operates at 433.92 MHz. For more details about the AF radio board and transmitters, click the link currently in the top right corner of the video. Make sure it's plugged into the AF connector on the control board. The ZA3P has two command channels, CH1 and CH2. Channel 1 controls functions like open only or open close or open stop, close stop, depending on the settings of dip switches 2 and 3 on the 10 switch strip. Channel 2 allows for control of the dry contact relay at terminals B1, B2, which can, for example, control lighting. I'm preparing a video on that soon. You can also achieve partial gate opening. For this, you'll need to wire a jumper between terminals 2 and B2 and another between 3P and B1. Let's move on to programming your transmitter. To program a button on your remote to channel 1, follow these steps. Press and hold the CH1 button. The prog LED will start flashing. While holding down CH1, press and hold the button on your remote that you want to assign to channel 1 for a few seconds. The prog LED will stop flashing briefly, signaling that the button has been successfully programmed. You can repeat the same process using CH2 to assign another button on your remote to channel 2. You can store up to 25 buttons on the system. If you need to program more than 25 buttons, you'll need to clone from one remote to another. However, for cloning, at least one fixed code remote must already be programmed into the ZA3P. You can then clone that code into additional transmitters. Once everything is programmed, test your remote. If the remote doesn't work as expected, or you think there was an error during programming, you can reset the memory on the ZA3P. Hold down both CH1 and CH2 buttons together for over 5 seconds, until the prog LED stays lit. This will clear the memory, and your remotes should stop working, allowing you to start the programming process again. If everything works, great! Don't forget to leave your feedback or suggestions, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. As promised, here are links to the setup of the ZA3P, connecting your photocells, and direct access to the channel.
Arrivederci. Alla prossima!